at sa pagbabalik nga sa big screen ng mga pinasikat nilang karakter sa naturang pelikula bilang Ethan at Joy. Dito sa Hello Love Again, inamin ni Catherine na halo-halo ang emosyon na kanyang nararamdaman. Ayon rito, kagabi pa ako kinakabahan. I don't know why. Maybe it's more of excitement and halo-halong emosyon. But then, seeing everybody here, ramdam na ramdam namin yung support and excitement nyo. Parang yun yung nag-fuel sa amin. It's not gonna be easy, but here we are. This is so exciting. I thought we already said our goodbyes, but here we are, saying our hellos, diba? Aniya pa? It feels very familiar, but at the same time, it's different because it's been 5 years, and 5 years is such a long time.